What's up, guys? If you've been following along since the beginning of this channel, you might remember my first video where I showed you the studio space that wasn't quite ready yet. Hopefully you've stuck with me this long, and now it's about time for a real studio tour. Let's go. So let me take you on a tour of the space. Looks a little different than it did the first time. We've got our nice seating area over here with, of course, a TV for some gaming, hanging out. Over here is the workspace. We've got the 2017 iMac 27-inch, some nice PreSonus studio monitors. I do some music production as well as video, so gotta have something like that with the Scarlett interface right there. I finally figured out what to do with this weird closet type space, and ended up just putting some shelves in there, mounting some LED lights. I don't know if you can see those up in there. LED strips around the back, super simple to use. Just put some gear up here. Of course, I have my Metallica figurines hanging out up there with the gear. Coffee maker, which every studio needs, and the little fridge there. Bathroom back there, which you don't really care that much about, and a bedroom, which is basically storage right now. So that's the new space. Super excited to finally have something looking a little better, to be able to do some YouTube videos and different stuff in. Obviously, it's been a while since we've done anything on this channel, so I'm really hoping to get back at it. This will probably be the kind of shot you're gonna see in the next handful of videos as we try to do some more Final Cut tutorials and a few different things. So, thanks for tuning in to this short studio tour. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. Later.